Go to File, Open, Sample 5 Bandpass Filter. Open. Okay, now what I'm going to do with this clip is make it sound like I'm talking through a radio. This is done by cutting out certain frequencies, the way a real radio does. First, let's hear the clip normally. This is Unit 5 to Central. We've got a 211 in progress. Over. Alright, that sounds like something a cop might say over a radio. Now let's filter it. Press Ctrl A to select the whole clip, then go to Effects, Filters, and again, depending on your version, this might say Filters and EQ. It's the same thing. FFT filter. And what we do here is plot out points on a graph to show how much to block different frequencies. You add points by clicking in the blank space and move them by dragging the points around. Now I use CoolEdit to make my graph, and my frequency range is about 440 Hz to 7 kHz. However, as long as you're blocking out your high and low frequencies, you should get a decent effect. Okay, let's see how this sounds. This is Unit 5 to Central. We've got a 211 in progress. Over. This is Unit 5 to Central. Okay, that sounds a little different than what I used for Galaxy Gulp, but definitely sounds like I could be talking through a radio now. However, if you want even more of this effect, there's some already made presets you can use off to the side. Let's try telephone receiver and see how that sounds. This is Unit 5 to Central. We've got a 211 in progress. Over. This is Unit 5 to Central. Okay, that might be a little overkill. Let's try telephone voicemail. This is Unit 5 to Central. We've got a 211 in progress. Over. Okay, that sounds pretty decent. I'm going to go ahead and click OK. Now let's hear it again. This is Unit 5 to Central. We've got a 211 in progress. Over. Okay, so that's how you create a radio effect. Now the last thing I want to show you in Audition is basic multi-track processing.